mano en tu cadera pa' empezar como es. No le vamos a bajar más nunca, mamá. Baila. Baila. Baila.
Están pendientes de ti, pero tú puesta pa' mí, haciendo que me odien más, porque todos te quieren probar. Lo que no saben es que no te dejas llevar de cualquiera, y todos te quieren probar. Lo que no saben es que hoy yo te voy a buscar. Dile que tú eres mía. Tú sabes que eres mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Dile que tú eres mía, tú sabes que eres mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Bebé, yo soy fan de tu caminar, te doy todo lo mío hasta mi respirar. Contigo veo todo como en espiral, pero tirando pa' ti dejar mirar. Tus ojos me consagran como contigo me sube a lograr. Te toco y hasta el mundo deja de ir. A nosotros ni la muerte nos va a separar. Bebé, yo soy tuyo nada más. Dile que conmigo te vas, que dejen de tirarte. A ti nadie va a tocar. Dile que tú eres mía, tú sabes que eres mía, tú me lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Dile que tú eres mía, tú sabes que eres mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía.
Maria, she remind me of a West Side Story, growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living a life just like a movie star, played by Carlos Santana.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown. Tryna get like this, I can't be around. I'm too to dim down a notch, cause I can into things that I'm gon' do. Wow, thoughts. Wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
Let's go!
I open up for the taking. You know this cookie's for the bag. Kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Like the 68 Jets. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rockin' with ya. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with ya. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around, time to hit with ya. I know I get wow.
weekend. I heard you got these up going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that back bouquet. Call me and I can get it, you say. I can tell you gone off the doors. Oh yeah, careful mama, why what you say? You talking to me like you new babe. You talking like you trying to do things. Now that party gotta run it like she Usain, baby. You made me drown in it, ooh, touche, baby. I'm carrying that water, Bobby Boucher, baby. And you know I'ma slaughter like I'm Jason. That's why you got it on safety. White girl red, sit on brown now. I probably shouldn't be around you. Cause you get wild. You looking like there's nothing that you won't do. What you won't do? Hey girl, that's when I told you.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow. Thoughts. Wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
DJ Khaled. Clap your hands, everybody. And everybody just clap your hands. Come on now. Clap your hands, everybody. And everybody just clap your hands. Come on. Clap your hands, everybody. And everybody just clap your hands. Come on now. Clap your hands, everybody. Hold up.
Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them, you ain't don't tell them, you ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them, you ain't need, don't tell them, you ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them. Know you sit down with it, won't tell them how you hit the ground with it. Girl, you know I'm from Chicago, I act a fool, Bobby Brown with it. Nobody take me out there. You got gifts, bring them down to South Park. Marathon, gotta put them out. Don't you worry about it, I gon' work it out. Only cause you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Like the summer, touch it like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them, you ain't, don't tell them, you ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them, you ain't need, don't tell them, you ain't even gotta tell them, don't tell them. Girl, it's fool with it, but you know I know what to do with it. I get it out, girl, I'm talking loud. See if you got a fool with it.
Uy, pait kaya siya. Okay guys, shall we start? Under her. So Roger, what are we doing?
Okay guys, so welcome to Crime Pro. So today we're gonna do a great performance about products and his model. Hello. Okay, so in this model, we're going to be doing a maximalist treatment to her hair. We're going to be using
Testing 1, 2. DJ, the mic is not working properly. Okay. Let's see. Bring it down.
Coming up.
Yo. Okay. So as Marcus said, the first model we're gonna be doing the Maximus treatment. Is that the Maximus, right? Maximus, which is it works as a filler for the hair, guys. So it's like a filler. So what it does, it reduces the volume, not the volume, the curls. When you come out of the beach, you come out of the shower, your hair is straight, beautifully shiny. No need to use blow dryer or any heat anymore. No more damage to your hair done. So explain a little about this product. The Maximus, our #1 seller in Europe.
Yeah, so basically guys, this comes with 4 steps. The first one is being shampoo, the second one being impulse to bring 2 benefits to the hair, which is come from amino acids, okay, which bring the shine, we bring the smoothie on the hair, it make it filler and strong. Step 3 is a anti-residue, it's anti-frizz, guys, so just to tame the hair and keep the treatment longer. So when it comes to treatment, all of us know that when it's come to keep it on the hair, this is what we face in everyday hair salon, okay? So we'll be using this to keep the treatment at least for 3 months on her hair, okay? So for these treatments, basically you're gonna dry her hair 80%, making sure that we still leave the moisture on the hair just to absorb and keep the treatment and be easy for us to make it straight and smoothly, okay?
Okay, so as you can see, the hair with my model right here is slightly curly. So we're not going to completely get rid of the beautiful curls. We're gonna just give her a nice 80% straight. She comes out the shower, it's naturally done, no more blow dryer, no more iron, nothing. Okay guys, so it's time to treat her hair. Okay model, have you colored your hair before?
80% dry.
No, it's my first time to do this treatment. I'm so excited to do that because my hair is almost curly. 1 week ago I just bought a wig for that. It's so annoying, so let's see the results. Amazing. So yeah guys, so you're gonna see one thing for all you salon owners here, okay? One most annoying thing is smell and steam, right? When you have a client doing their nails, they don't want no irritation to the eyes, but no, it irritates the eyes. So guys, with our products, 100% natural, 1,000,000% natural, is authorized in all of Europe countries, in London, and obviously from Brazil. In all our Europe countries is authorized, that means it's 100% safe. You will see there's no smell, no irritation, nothing, okay? So we're gonna start with Maximus for the first model and the second model. Marcus Lopez, Jennifer Lopez, what are we doing for the second model?
Okay, so guys, we're gonna be doing a treatment which is gonna be our flex.
Flex, this is the one.
Yeah, this is the one. So as you can see, for all people who do bleaching process, also for color, any kind of procedure that you need to use beauty bonders to make your hair straight and also protect it during, I would say, before, during, and after any procedures, okay? We're gonna be doing this on her hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys our impact mask, which is gonna bring also elasticity to her hair, which is really neat for today, okay?
Okay, impact mask is my favorite, guys. Okay, so you know when you bleach your hair, and the first thing you do is test if it's like chewing gum, right? To see if it's damaged or not, if it's breaking or not whilst it's wet. However, with impact mask, if your hair is like chewing gum after bleaching, we say no, we protect it, we make it 100% strong, okay? So the client, the first thing she does is test her hair, she will test it and she will see there's no, chewing gum kind of feeling. So yeah, so okay, amazing. So as you can see, Roger has sectioned the hair step by step. He's gonna be spraying it on. So let's just turn the model around. Everyone's gonna get a tan over here. Okay. Okay, so Marcus, I can see you're spraying it with water. What are you doing?
Actually, I'm adding water just to observe the step 1 perplex, which comes for collagen, amino acids, and also nanotechnology to really treat the hair deeply.
Okay, so we're just wetting it with water first. And here with Roger, we're sectioning the hair. We're spraying it with the actual Maxima step 2, right? Sorry, step 3. So we're spraying with Maxima step 3. Avoiding the roots is 100% safe, even if it goes on roots, but just avoiding the roots. And then just combing it in, as you can see, to massage it. Get the product right in 100%. There's no smell, guys. If you want to come close, you can smell it. It's all of flowers and trees and natural ingredients. It's beautiful, isn't it? And what Marcus is 1, 2. Okay, Marcus is getting. Okay, I think it's better now. Okay, Marcus is he's doing the Plex. Plex is really good for someone that wants to bleach their hair, someone that's afraid, that comes to the salon and says to you, I'm afraid to bleach my hair. Okay, this is going. Can you guys, okay, yes, but I don't want my hair to get damaged after bleaching. Okay, no problem. Use Plex. Plex will make the hair really strong and hold the bleach. Before and after, apply Plex. I can't stress out more. It protects it. It makes no hair damage. Okay, Aya is going to explain a little in Arabic about filler, okay? Okay, بعد شوي إن شاء الله.
Ayun, hindi spray lang tayo. Hindi spray lang. Hindi hindi sinusuklay. Ay, hindi na ano. Hindi na binabrush.
So the Maximus treatment is what Roger is doing with my first model on the left. It's suitable for all hair types, colored, virgin hair, completely safe. It's guys, my favorite part, it's safe for children and pregnant women to use, okay? Remember this, everyone is able to use this procedure. This is how safe it is.
Safe daw.
Okay, and the most common question asked, does the Biotonic, the Maximus, the Botox, all of these, does it change the color of your natural hair? I can't stress out more, guys. Yes, it will only change under one condition. If your hair is damaged from bleaching before, if you've used a cheap quality of color, these are the steps. So you need to really make sure you examine the hair before agreeing to do the procedure. However, with our products, it's 100% safe. You can use it and then apply color at the same time. It's okay to do so.
Oh, pwede raw at the same time.
Okay. You have to have both legs and after we can apply color, yeah?
Yes, 100% safe. Victor, is that okay? Flex and then color. Okay?
Mix it as well. It's where? Mix flex with color.
What the flex? What flex? Wala flex.
Then you put it in the powder.
In step 1, you can mix it. In the step 2, you can apply it later.
Later.
Yeah.
He's the owner. And how I mix it when I cut the powder.
Ako, katabi ko pala yung may-ari ng Napakaswerte ko naman. Kasi
Nalasing na ako.
katabi ko pala may-ari ng kumpanya. Pambihira talaga. Very, very division.
Can I make it plain?
You can mix it with flex or with sprinkling.
Parang ulat mo.
In step 1, you can do it 2.5 hours.
It's like
So, umpisa na ngayon ang tanungan. Tatanong na kami ng mga contraindications para sa pag-apply ng treatment na to. Kung pwede ba to sa mga damaged hair at kung ano-ano mga proseso pa. So, kailangan namin alamin yun. No?
Okay, so now we put the Maximus onto the hair, the filler. We will keep it on for Roger. How long do we keep it on for? Time. 30 minutes, okay? We do not keep it on for any minutes. We will blow dry straight away with the filler, the Maximus, the pink one, guys. If you want to take a picture of it, we will not leave it onto the hair for a certain amount of time. Straight away, blow dry.
Straight away blow dry.
Straight away, blow dry, yes.
Straight away blow dry. So straight away blow dry.
Yes. Go ahead and blow dry. You will see no smell, no irritation. Actually smells of flowers, so it's beautiful. Massage into the hair. Roger is massaging it with the comb strongly. Okay, now let's go on to flex. Okay, Marcus.
the model's hair is dry again.
Kuha ako ng pagkain.
Sige din. Tanong mo kung chicken ha. Wag chicken te ha.
Okay guys, 1 second. DJ, put the mic on. One, two. Okay, laro. And now it's blow dry. It's necessary to blow dry.
Hold.
Which one? Only the blow dry. Blow dry and then straight in. Alright. Except just to make the brush. Yeah. But you don't need to wait such a long time. Blow dry straight away.
That is filler for the hair. So, that is the product of the Prime. So, according, you need to blow dry directly after applying the product.
Hello. How you doing, baby?
So sir, after direct blow dry, you need to iron it. So you need to iron it. And then after that, sir,
After that, flat iron and jet it.
That's
Or
it.
you can wash it. If you want to consider you can wash it. But sometimes you don't need to wash it sometimes.
oh really?
Yeah.
For how many days?
For today.
For 3 days. So there's an option. You can wash it or leave it for 3 days. So it's fine. And then we will put mustard.
Yeah, you can use it, wash it the same day, you can use the mask. You have the same mask of the line is a Maximus mask, or you can apply the impact mask.
Okay. So there's a Tumas also. So thank you so much, sir. He is the owner of this company. Napakainit na po. So habang kami ay naglalayag, nagkakaroon po ng demo kung paano siya ginagawa. May I see the product? May I see? May I check? Maximus Control Prime Pro Extreme. Ibang ano siya, ibang product. Oh, ibang produkto.
Hello.
Dapat ko pang tanong kung pala.
Okay guys, so a lot of people requested me and asked me about Profit Flex. Okay, so basically that is 3 ways to use it. Okay, Flex is hello. 1, 2. Okay, it's working. All right. So that is 3 ways to use it. The first way I can do is diluting the step 1, 5 ml and 20 ml of water and do the protection before I bleach the hair. Let's imagine for the client who already was bleached before, and her end has the color, and I needed to 1, 2, and I need to protect it. I can take it. The step 1, like I said, 5 ml, twin of water, mix it, apply on the hair, and dry 100%. Okay?
5
And
ml
then
and
I can
20
start the
ml of
procedure
water.
adding 10% on the bleaching powder. If you're gonna use 30 grama, I can measure 3 grama of the step 1, mix it before I apply the oxygen cream. Okay, it's important to keep in mind. Mix it and do all the procedure. Okay? So if you also after that, you see that the hair needs extra treatments, even to keep it shine, even to keep it really is strong enough to hold the color, the pigments. When you're gonna toner, is important. As much as the hair is treated, as much is gonna hold the color. Okay. Once you finish, we rinse it, we wash it with shampoo, using mask as well. We can do what I'm doing right now. Imagine I have to bleach it, I just wash it, and I'm gonna do the step 1 and 2 and blow dry her hair with heat protector, and she's pretty set about a full treatment with amino acids, collagen, and nanokeratin to really treat the hair deeply. Okay?
Okay.